everyone, my name is Anshul Chaudhary and I am pursuing MIB from IMS Ghaziabad, and we have been given an internship in Dubai. That's such a great pleasure for us, and in Landmark Group. So we have given a particular store, that is Splash, in which I am working over here, and they have been told that what are the retail standards, what are visual merchandisings, and what is backstore, what is warehouse, and all these things. So here we have mannequins here. So these mannequins has to be in a proper manner, and these clothes has to be changed in 14 days, so that customer will come and he'll get to know about what is the trend in fashion, and so that when he'll come from that entrance, he'll come and he'll see the mannequins that it has the new collection, and they can go further for the new collections, and these all has to be arranged in a manner so that customers should feel that they have a good stock and they have a proper management. It really gives a positive impact on the customers, and I really want to thank IMS for sending us to Dubai, for having a whole retail overview over here. I really want to thank Director Ma'am and my parents also, and it's really an amazing understanding. Thank you so much.